What is... What is that thing?
Baby, are you okay?
Why is there a fucking combine on the road?
The only thing I can think of is they're going to get somebody out. A ditch or something.
Oh my god. What the fuck? I can't see a fucking thing. What just happened? I'm not moving.
You're not moving?
No, the car in front of me stopped, and I can't even see to move.
Well, just stay there. Don't go around him.
I don't even know what to do. The car's literally like 2 feet in front of me, and I can't even fucking see his lights.
He just stopped. What a fucking idiot.
I can't hear you. Can you speak into the microphone?
And the car just stopped. Fucking idiot. I'm about to call the police. I swear to God.